whatever you are using for trading, pick it up at any time, open your chart and find entry without wasting much time doing analysis up and down. So the controlling candle has the advantage of putting me in a trade at a go. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you exactly how you can follow this pattern to find your entry. The time frame we'll be using is from 30 minutes and above, which means you are not going below 30 minutes, but you can find your entry on 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours daily, depending on what suits you. And you'll be making your decision on the close of the candlestick on each of these time frame. So we'll be doing a candle by candlestick analysis. Welcome to Soji Forex. My name is Soji and I'm glad you are coming across our video on our channel. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever we publish our next video. Now the first thing we need to do is for us to determine what is the bias, the overall direction of the market. And looking at your chart just as mine, once you open your chart you should be able to determine which of the direction price is going, either by using your technical tool or by using your trend line. So with my trend line, it is confirmed to me that price is bullish and this is my 1 hour time frame. Now look at what happened. So at this point in time, there was a time that price has been coming down all of this zone. When this price has been coming down, of course we know that it's an uptrend, but the market is making a retracement, and of course this retracement is a short pattern, and this short pattern is a bullish flag pattern. So, and it's a continuation, so I'll be waiting for price to break out of it in order for me to find my entry. And what do I do? Look at this. Next, price break out of it using this particular bullish candlestick. So if you look at this candle that break price out of this zone, there is a shift on the candle. So when price break out of it, what next? You are supposed to make a buy entry, right? Then let us now begin to analyze candle by candle. So you look at it this way. The next candle that follow it did not close below the candle that break out of it. This other candle did not close below it. So this particular candle here now that break out of it becomes our controlling candle. So make our entry here and our stop loss is below. And if we did not put a stop loss, we'll be doing a candle by candlestick analysis. And you see that none of these close below it, which means we only exit when price close below this. And after that, we have this shift in price, then followed by this. So immediately this candle close above the high of these ones, our attention shifts to this candle. This particular candle now becomes our controlling candle, and you can see how it keeps on playing out. Okay, and here we have a series of a range of candle, and suddenly this close above all of this. So we'll remain there until we get to this zone. Now on reaching this zone, we have a little pullback, and after that we have this particular candle. So this candle, this particular one, move and close above all of this movement. Now this is what we are referring to. It closed above all of this movement. So this now becomes our controlling candle. We want to see all of this move close below. All these moves should be able to close below this candle, and as you can see, none of these close below it. So we keep on moving to the upside, and you see how price move up massively. Now this could have been, but this is not our controlling candle. The question is, why is this not a controlling candle? Anytime price has pierced the upper Bollinger Band, it's an exhaustion point and there's a high tendency of reversal. So we won't be considering any of this. Rather, we'll be looking for an entry. So that is how I will be doing my analysis based on the candle by candlestick happen at this point. Now here, price came all the way. This could have been a controlling candle had it been is not outside of my Bollinger Band. This particular candle would have been a controlling candle, and I would have been waiting for price. As far as price did not close below this candle, at the close of this candle I make my entry, and I'll continue to hang on and remain in that market. Now this is a step index and this is 1 hour time frame. Price is bullish. We are in an uptrend. We just open the chart now and we want to find an entry for our trade. So what do I do? This is the current price condition. So in this particular current price condition, remember this is price move to the downside upon this little retracement. Now price went up. This pin bar break out of it. So this pin bar that break out of this retracement and close above it give us a pin bar. This pin bar is our controlling candle. So immediately this pin bar happened, if we were here we would have bought, right, and remain in this buyer's market. Stop loss would have been here or until price closes below this pin bar, otherwise we will remain in this trade. You can see that price has been doing well, moving above this zone, and it has been a continuous movement. So this is exactly how to determine or make your entry based on this controlling candlestick pattern. Okay, now this would have been a controlling candle, but it's already happening around the Bollinger Band. So what is setting for this Bollinger Band? The Bollinger Band is period of 130. The deviation is 2.0. So you can do the same setting so you can take advantage of it. Here the Bollinger Band, the period is 130, the deviation is 2.00, the shift is 0, and you apply it to close and you save. Alright, let's look for another asset. This is volatility 75. Okay. Now so far so good. V75 is bullish, and as you can see, we will go with it in this manner. V75 is bullish. If we were here earlier, this could have been our trade entry, right? This is a controlling candle. This is our controlling candle. This is price movement from this zone. Price break out of it. See this shift, then price came back. We will test this zone and we have these two candle formation. So we would have make our entry here when price went up and would have been waiting for price. Because since then price never returned to below this zone. Here again we have another controlling candle. Could have bought here. You can see that despite price came all the way down, but it never closed below this particular candle. Okay, so price is bullish and we are moving to the upside. So this is how you can do your analysis, come into the market, find your entry without stress using the concept of the controlling candlestick. At any time I've come into this market and immediately at the close of that particular candle, just like this one now, once it closed and it did not close below the previous candle, I can make my entry. That is just how simple I can use this. Okay, this is GBP JPY, and here you can see the beauty of what I am talking about. So in this particular trade of GBP JPY, this is what I'll be doing. So immediately price break out of my trend line here, I'll be having my buy entry here, provided price did not close. My buy entry is here, my stop loss is here, because my expectation is for price not to close below this. So the process is simple. This is my controlling candle, my buy trade is here. So that is it. You see this, our entry, and see price never return back to that zone. So this process is pretty much simple. This is volatility 75, and as you can see, the price is very much bearish. Alright, so this is what I will do now. In this particular scenario, I will pick up my trend line and I have my zone marked out. Okay, so I am looking at this to be a sort of a formation of a bearish flag pattern. So I will need, if this candle now closes as a bearish engulfing candle, I will make my entry and my stop loss is here, because it will serve as my controlling candle. This bearish to break out of this. If this bearish break out of this, it means it has confirmed my bearish flag pattern. I'll make my entry and it will serve as my controlling candle. So that will be determined at the close of the candlestick. Okay, and I will be making my entry. But remember, this is already outside my lower Bollinger Band, so I am careful about it because it is almost a level of possible exhaustion point. And I believe you have learned something new. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.